Thank you very much. My name is Jensen. I'm CEO of Sefaira. We make software for high-performance building design, which essentially means that we make software which helps architects, engineers, and other building designers make better buildings. And what is a good building, and what does high performance mean? Well, we look at 5 specific things that our software helps our users optimize. Those are things like energy, which is very important, but also daylight, which both impact the human comfort, but also the energy consumption of a building. We look at water, carbon emission, and we look at the thermal comfort, which is important for our personal comfort and productivity. And those 5 things are important. There's been a lot of advances in and around certification schemes. BREEAM is a thing we know here in the UK. LEED is very important in the US. But even so, the average LEED building only offers about 24–25% reduction on traditional energy consumption. And we have much, much further to go. And that is why it's important to have good software to help with design. Let's look at some of the complexities that goes into designing buildings. When you design a building, you really look at thousands of decisions that have to come together to create good performance. These are things like the orientation of the building, the aspect ratio, glazing ratios, material types, system selection, and importantly, how all of this fits together. Now, a building and design process can take months or even years, involve many, many practitioners, and all of these people have to come together to design a building that performs well. Now, the challenge is that many of these things in and of themselves impact performance, but they also impact each other. So if we design a building, the person responsible for selecting the lighting solution may choose a solution that's a low energy lighting solution, but what that influences is not just the lighting energy bill, but also the heat that comes from light into the rooms of the building, and that will then in turn impact the cooling loads of the building and the heating loads of the building, and so on and so forth. Everything in a building is connected. It's an integrated system, and only building physics can help answer and help us figure out how to put these things together well. We have created a terrific company here over the last 5 years to address that need. Founded in 2009, took us 3 years to develop the core technology. We launched in 2012, in the summer of 2012, and since then we've been building up a portfolio of more than 400 customers, architects and engineers worldwide that are using our software to transform the design process. We work with some terrific strategic partners. Autodesk is one, Trimble is another, and their SketchUp platform, and we're backed by some great investors. But in terms of the forward-looking perspective here, we're really looking to address a $2 billion market opportunity for software as a service into the building design space. Our revenues have been rapidly growing since launch in 2012, 2013, 2014, etc. And we're looking to probably at least double our sales again this year. To do that, we're raising $8 million this year. 4 of them are already underwritten, so we're looking for a strong partner to join the consortium with another $4 million, and that will help us really take to market and ramp up the sales we have on the new offering we have launched for engineers, further continue that sales ramp to drive all the recurring revenue we're producing, and that will take us to a cash flow break even by 2016. So that is the strategy. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been a pleasure sharing our story with you. Thanks for your time.